Hello everyone. The next topic in memory management is segmentation. So segmentation is non-contiguous memory allocation where the process or the data of process is divided into partitions and brought from the secondary memory. In segmentation, process is, as I told, it is divided into modules of variable size. There is no fixed size like a page or a frame here. When we saw the page or the concept of frame, the module was divided into fixed size which was suffering from internal fragmentation. So to come out of internal fragmentation or to solve the problem of internal fragmentation, we came across segmentation. The process is divided into number of modules where the module size is not predefined. Both secondary memory and the main memory are divided into unequal size partitions. The size depends on the length of the modules. This partition of the secondary memory is called as segments. User view of a program is like this. In the logical address, there will be subroutines, stack, symbol table, main program, square root, like user. This should be like a library function. So you will be having library functions, subroutines or user defined programs or sub modules, stack which is used for storing the runtime data, symbol table and main program. This is the logical address space of a program where user according to user point of view. So this logical part of data, how you see in a physical memory. Let's consider this logical view is converted into segments and stored in physical memory. Okay, first is segment 0, which is subroutine. Segment 0 limit starts from 1000 and base is 1400. If I go to 1400 plus limit will fetch you the size of the segmentation. Limit is the size and base address is the initial address from where the segment is started. In base address plus limit will give you the end address of each segment. If I take the segment 1 where the library function is stored, at the segment 1 it starts at the address 400, means the limit is 400 and the address starts with segment 6300. So 6300 plus 400, the segment ends at 6700. This is how the logical view of segmentation is actually stored in the physical memory. So segmentation architecture includes logical and address consisting of two parts. One is segment number and offset. Segment number is the base value where segment number is the number for the part of the code or the module of the code given. Offset value is the value where your actual physical memory is found. Segment table contains map to two-dimensional physical address. Each table entry consists of base and limit. Base is the starting physical address of each residing segment and limit is the length of the segment. Combination or addition of base and limit register will give the end address of the segment. The segment table base register STBR points to the segment table's location in the memory and segment table length register, that is the limit, will indicate the number of segments used by the program. Segment, if the segment number is S, then legally if S should be lesser than STLR. Segmentation hardware looks very simpler or very simple than your paging hardware. So we will be having a CPU which always sends segment number. S is a segment number, D is the offset value. If D is lesser than the limit and base value, then it will be converted to physical address. If the offset number is greater than the limit value, then a trap is generated. So always D value or the offset value should be lesser than the limit value. So S is used by the segment table to find the segment with the help of base register and the offset value. Base register plus offset value can be added together to fetch the limit. So let's consider base value starts with 2000, or the base value is 2000. I am searching for the segment 1. So limit is 100. So if the D value is between 0 to 100, then it is valid. If the value is more than 100, let's consider 101, then a trap is generated. If my value, let's consider I have taken the D value as 91, segment 1 which starts at 2000, so 2091 is the value found here. My limit or offset value is 91 plus my base value is 2000. So address of the segment segment which I am finding is 2091. This is how physical address is calculated with the help of segmentation hardware. So I hope you understood these topics. Thank you.